Right now, I'm in Cocoa Beach. Shaw, brah.
This is a false turtle crawl, but in 2022, there were over 38,000 nests in Brevard County. These are some of the dune architects of the supratidal zone: legally protected sea oats, sea grape, dune sunflower, and the railroad vine. The intratidal zone is home to the western sandpiper and the ghost crab, who needs to get wet every few hours, but digs a burrow with 2 entrances because they can actually drown. Shaw, brah. What is this grackle looking for? What is he looking for? What are we looking for?
Hey, it doesn't matter where you are. There's always something new to learn about the natural world.